Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to read Snapchat messages on mobile in 2025. With Snapchat's constant updates, reading messages has gotten even more intuitive, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can stay connected without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your mobile device. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and update if needed. This ensures you're getting all the 2025 features, like enhanced AI suggestions for quick replies. Once you're all set, open the Snapchat app and log in with your username and password. If you're using biometric login, like fingerprint or Face ID, that's now faster than ever in 2025. Just tap and go. Now, let's get to the main event. From the home screen, swipe right to access your chat tab. Here, you'll see a list of your conversations. Tap on the one you want to read, and voila, your messages will load up instantly. Snapchat's new 2025 interface includes a Quick View mode, which lets you skim through texts without fully opening them, perfect for when you're on the go. Pro tip: if you want to reply, just hold down on the message for options like emojis or voice notes. And remember, privacy is key. Enable Ghost Mode in settings to control who sees your activity. If you accidentally miss a message, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. We've covered the basics, but Snapchat is all about fun and creativity, so experiment with the new filters and lenses while you're chatting. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Stay snapped.